Dalam topik cell division ada 4 major subtopics. They are concepts of cell division, number 1, and then the cell cycle, number 2, mitosis, number 3, and then the last subtopic for this chapter is meiosis. So in this video we will cover the 3.1 concept of cell division. So these are the 2 LOs that you need to be able to learn for this subtopic. So first, explain the cell division, and second, state the importance of cell division in living organisms. Okay, so the concept of cell division. So modern cell theory state that all new cells are derived from pre-existing cell or other cell. Maksudnya, sel yang baru mesti datang daripada sel yang lama ataupun sel yang sedia ada. Okay, so itu maksud the first statement ini. Okay, so second, cell division is a process where a cell divides to form new cell. So statement yang kedua ni untuk bagi tahu apakah dimasukkan dengan cell division, iaitu is a process where satu sel akan membuat division, membahagi to form new cell. Daripada satu sel yang asal, dia akan pecah dua untuk jadi dua sel yang baru. Okay, next, in prokaryotes and eukaryotes, most cell division involve the distribution of identical genetic materials ataupun DNA to two daughter cell. Maksudnya, selain daripada satu sel divide into two daughter cell, at the same time apa yang berlaku adalah DNA yang berada di dalam parent cell juga akan kena transfer ke dalam daughter cell. Okay, next, a dividing cell will replicate its DNA. So ini berkaitan dengan point yang pertama tadi, iaitu apabila cell divide, untuk dia pass dia punya DNA ke dua daughter cell, so parent punya DNA perlu replicate dahulu. So replication ini yang kita panggil sebagai DNA synthesis. Next, a dividing cell will distribute the two copies to the opposite end of the cell. Okay, so nanti kita akan tengok in detail. And then, so the third one, a dividing cell will then split into daughter cells. Okay, basic characteristic of cell division. So 1, involve increase in the number of cell. Okay, so daripada satu sel dia akan membahagi menjadi dua daughter cell. So division ini bukan maksudnya satu sel jadi separuh, tetapi satu sel menjadi dua sel. Okay, number 2, involve parent cell pass on genetic material to daughter cell. Next, cell division in eukaryotes involve Cardiokinesis and Cytokinesis. So Cardiokinesis bermaksud nuclear division. So the word cardio refers to nucleus. Kinesis refers to the process of dividing. Okay, so Cardiokinesis bermaksud the division of the nucleus. So itu yang penting untuk Cardiokinesis, iaitu untuk divide the genetic material between the two daughter cell. So after Cardiokinesis has completed, barulah ada satu lagi proses yang kita panggil sebagai cytokinesis. Cyto means cell. So kinesis also means to divide, dividing. Okay, so that's why cytokinesis is a process where it involves division of the cytoplasm. Okay, so to divide the cell, we must divide the cytoplasm. So there are two types of Cardiokinesis. So the first one is mitosis, the second one is meiosis. So mitosis occur in somatic cell. So what is somatic cell? Somatic cell is basically all the cell that is present in our body that is not considered as a germ cell. So a germ cell is any cell in our body that can undergo meiosis. So that is the difference between a germ cell and somatic cell. Basically, somatic cell adalah any cell that can undergo mitosis. But germ cell is any cell that can undergo meiosis. During mitosis, it will produce 2 daughter cells. But meiosis, it will produce 4 daughter cells. Next, during mitosis, the number of chromosomes in each daughter cell is equal to the number of chromosomes of the parental cell. Okay, maksudnya, if the parent cell has 4 chromosomes, the 2 daughter cells after mitosis will also have 4 chromosomes in its nucleus. Okay, but for meiosis, the number of chromosomes in the daughter cell is half, kurang separuh, okay, daripada the original parental cell. Okay, if the parent have 4 chromosomes, the 4 daughter cells will each have 2 chromosomes in its nucleus. Importance of cell division. Generally, there are 3 main importance for cell division. So the first one is for reproduction. So usually involve a single cell eukaryotes or prokaryotes. Next, growth and development. So cell division is very important for organisms to grow, increase in the number of cells, and to develop. Next, for tissue renewal. So this means that when a cell divides, the new daughter cell will be used to replace the old cell. Either the old cell is already dead or damaged. So these 3 are the main importance for cell division. Next, we look into specifically the importance of mitosis or meiosis. So the first one, we look into the importance of mitosis. So for mitosis, mainly the function of mitosis is to produce daughter cell that is genetically identical. Maksudnya, parent cell and daughter cell, in terms of their DNA, their genetic composition, they are identical. Okay, so the keywords is genetically. So secara genetik sahaja, daughter cell dan juga parent cell adalah sama. Okay, in terms of size or in terms of the number of organelles, the volume of cytoplasm, mungkin tak sama antara parent dengan daughter cell. Okay, so other than genetic, parent and daughter cell mungkin tidak sama selepas mereka undergo proses mitosis. Okay, hanya dari segi genetik saja ataupun dari segi DNA ataupun genes. So ini sahaja yang akan identical antara parent dan juga daughter cell. Okay, so never miss out the word genetic. For mitosis, it is important to produce daughter cell that have the same chromosome number with the parent cell. First point tadi untuk merujuk kepada DNA ataupun gene composition. Second point ini lebih kepada chromosome number, jumlah kromosom yang berada di dalam parent cell dan juga yang berada di dalam daughter cell. Okay, so kita punya kromosom mengandungi gene. So ada banyak gene inside our chromosomes. Okay, so point pertama dan kedua ni lebih kurang sama tapi tak sama sebenarnya. Okay, so the first one tadi lebih kepada gene composition, second one lebih kepada jumlah kromosom. Okay, so either way, so after the cell undergo mitosis, both parent cell and daughter cell will have the same number of chromosome as well as having a genetically identical genes. Next, another importance of mitosis is to replace dead or damaged cell. Apabila sel undergo mitosis, the daughter cell is identical to the parent cell in terms of the number of chromosome as well as in terms of the composition of genes inside of their chromosomes. Okay, so basically anak dengan parents are the same cell. Okay, means that the new cell can be used to replace the old cell. Okay, old cell tu yang sama ada dah mati ataupun sudah damage. Importance of meiosis. So first is to produce gametes. So gametes can either be eggs or sperms that genetically non-identical to the parent cell. So ini one of the major characteristic for the process of meiosis that is different from mitosis. So previously in mitosis, we know that after the process have completed, the daughter cell are genetically identical. But during meiosis, the daughter cells are non-identical, genetically non-identical to the parent cell. Maksudnya, genetic composition dalam daughter cell takkan sama dengan genetic composition yang ada di dalam parent cell. Okay, number 1. Meiosis also involve halving. Halving maksudnya to reduce by 50% the number of chromosome in the daughter cell. Okay, so if the parent cell has 2n equals to 4 chromosomes, the 4 daughter cell will have n equals to 2 number of chromosomes. So daripada 4 sudah jadi 2. So reduce by half or 50%. Okay, so ini untuk meiosis. Unlike mitosis, di mana the number of chromosomes in the daughter cell is the same as the number of chromosome in the parent cell.